Hello guys, good to see you all on a new video. Hope you all had a very good day. In today's video, we are going to see the 3 life lessons to learn from Shinchan. We have started this 3 series now. I'm going to show in these 3 series, I'm going to make series of videos in 3 steps to do certain things. Okay, this is one of those videos. Okay, let's just start now. I hope you all will get something new from this video. The first life lesson to learn from Shinchan is the bravery to speak the truth. You might ask, speak the truth, how can it be counted as bravery? In these days, it is very important to talk about this because many people fear about talking the truth. For example, if you're working somewhere in an IT company or somewhere, even though you know the truth, maybe you would have worked for something, but actually somebody is taking the credit for what you have done. In that place, you're not brave, right? You're not speaking for yourself. You are just keeping quiet because people will come against you or you will get fired and stuffs like that. But actually, most of the time, initially you'll be a failure because you're speaking the truth. When you don't fear about speaking the truth, like Shinchan, you can see that even though he's such a small child in the show, he's so open about whatever he wants to say. He doesn't care about any people. He just conveys whatever he wants to say. This is a very important quality or a life lesson to learn from Shinchan. Okay, guys, I think the first one is done. Now we'll just move to the second important life lesson to learn from Shinchan. Humorously criticizing people without hurting them. This is also a very critical skill to have or a critical life lesson to learn from, because most of the time when we criticize people, we tend to often hurt people. So this is very important. If people get hurt by you, don't think they're not caring about you. Deeply they are hurt. Once people are hurt, obviously they'll be trying to create some strategies or some way to put you down. So this is very critical to learn from Shinchan. This is where humor comes in place, where he uses humor to criticize people. Let it be anyone, let it be his mother or father, let it be elder or younger. He doesn't care about whatever he wants to criticize or whatever he wants to speak. He conveys his emotions through humor, because let it be any kind of people, humor makes them laugh. So when it is done through humor, when criticizing comes through humor, people will take it as a fun, or it'll be a fun place to have such kind of people. People will be glad to have you in place, and in the same place you can also criticize in a way where people can change themselves. If they are doing something wrong, you can correct them in a humorous way. Now we are going to move to the third life lesson to learn from Shinchan. Never change his attitude for anyone. First of all, I need to make something clear. People have a wrong understanding on the meaning of the word called attitude. People think that attitude is something but ignoring people or not caring about others or thinking in a proud way, but that is not the truth. Attitude is a certain person's character or a way of or the style of their living, the way they act to a situation or the way they live. That is what is attitude. So different people will have different attitudes. Nowadays people confuse with attitude and emotions. See, for example, some people status like angry attitude or single boy attitude and stuffs like that. But we need to make it clear over here that attitude is not an emotion. It is a collective emotions and the kind of people and how they react to a situation. If we have a certain kind of attitude, we tend to change it just because if different kind of people come, or for example you want to make friends with someone, so you try to change your attitude just because you want to make friends with them. They might be a different kind of people, or they might be the center of attraction in the place where you are. Just because they are in a center of attraction, you also want to join their group or you want to become just like them. That is not a good way to approach it. Yes, you can learn their way to build confidence, like I have told in the previous video that we can build confidence through joining confident people, but you should never change your attitude or your way of thinking or the kind of thing you react with people just because you want to join with people. And this is where it comes to Shinchan. He never cares or he never changes his attitude for anyone or any kind of place he goes, or let it be elder or younger, he's the same. This is what I wanted to tell y'all guys, and this is the 3 life lessons to learn from Shinchan. I hope y'all had something to learn from this video. Thank you for supporting me till this time, guys. I think I can never do this without your support. So please keep supporting me and like this video if you have really liked this video, and if you dislike it, please do mention why you have disliked this so that I can correct myself in a next video. Please do subscribe to watch more videos like this, and also press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever we upload videos. This is Naveen signing out from Naveen at 1.